Yeah,
Yes, yes, please.
go ahead. Okay, I catch my critical mind.
Yeah, nice.
Yes,
And in everything, everything like
yes.
everything means in your reactions, have you found that when you are reacting,
It stops.
it
But
stops.
it's yeah.
It
And
stops.
then like yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
And
very
how often are you using this Ho'oponopono?
Like whenever I realize, like when I have free time, when I go to into any room,
Okay.
in my kitchen, I open my drawers,
Yesterday
sitting
you
on the
did it.
table.
Did you start touching and saying Ho'oponopono to all the things?
Yes.
Did you feel any shift of energy in your body, in your field?
Shift I feel better. I feel better and clearer.
Clearer. That's the word.
And
yes.
happier.
Clearer.
Yes.
Happier.
Yeah.
And one thing is, have you started talking to your body?
Yes. Last night.
Excellent.
This morning too.
Excellent. Beautiful. Amazing. Congratulations. Anybody?
Hopefully.
Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 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 Madhuji, you were not there, Madhuji. So yesterday's class was different. Yes, Amiraji, have you started talking to your body?
Yeah, today for lunchtime, I asked my body what you do, what you want to eat, this or that.
Did you receive
and
any
I got the correct, I got the correct answer. Because I am confused whether that is, and that
today,
time
I'm going to give you one beautiful tip to ask to find the answers as well. Yes, beautiful. Excellent, lovely. Samiraji, thank you for sharing. Yes, anybody talking to your body or feeling as, yes, Hemaji.
Yes,
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, after touching and saying Ho'oponopono for everything, handling everything very carefully. Handling.
Yes.
Things are
like
very carefully and very silently everything I do.
You are talking to your body. Yet, are you talking to your body? Yes. Yes.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, excellent. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, anybody?
Body, hair, everything.
Excellent. Did anyone, I just see from here as well. Anybody, please unmute yourself, Preeti ji, and tell me.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I was doing Ho'oponopono for my body.
Okay.
And then I realized I didn't know where I got hit. I realized some pain in my ankle.
Okay.
And then immediately I was doing Ho'oponopono 11 times, closing my eyes. I did it and I left it. After half an hour, I was looking again. I didn't feel the pain.
Excellent, beautiful, brilliant, excellent. Look at that. Like, only we get to know if you work with it. If you are just being as the normal self, like how you be, then you don't find any change.
Even I was so surprised. Within half an hour, I got result and I was so surprised.
I know. Yes, congratulations, Aarti. Excellent, beautiful. Yes, Preeti ji, you just.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday you asked to talk to the body, so I asked it, what you want to eat. So somewhere it was telling me pizza. Then I forgot. I went to office and when I came back, then I bought pizza. Then I realized actually for me and my daughter, she has a tuition classes. Then suddenly I realized, okay, yesterday I was telling that pizza, and it came to my home. So it just happened like that. And the second thing is that it is for the first session or like that, I had a very bad pain in my left wrist. I was not even able to lift my cup.
Okay.
So the meditation which you gave during the second free session, I did that, and with the count of 10 and that.
I know.
Maybe 90% to 90% it was gone, and then in the morning I just forgot. Then I realized that where it is, it's gone.
That's what. Excellent. Beautiful. You are working with the body. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much for following. I must say thanks. for those who are following. If you're not finding any difference, that means you're not looking in a different way. Yes, yes, please go ahead. Sanjay ji.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Beautiful. Yes.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Sindhuri.
Yes, Sindhuriji. I forgot your name because Akshay's name is there. I
my
always
son.
forget. Like it. Yes. Tell me, Sindhuriji.
Today I spoke to my body. I told my body that you're looking so beautiful. Your eyes are so good. My hair is so lovely. It gave me so much of beauty because of that and all. And I told my stomach also because I have certain stomach problems, acidity and all. So I told my stomach, I don't know, I'm very sorry. I have put so much inside and you still supported me to a large extent and you gave me energies. You have digested whatever I put in the stomach. So please help me. I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I did Ho'oponopono. Usually, ma'am, yesterday was a holiday for me and after eating food, I cannot go to sleep, but I would love to sleep. So I have to choose either food or sleep. It is like that. But yesterday I felt so sleep. I went to college. I work in a college as an assistant professor. So I had to go for, flag hoisting. After came back, I had my food and I wanted to sleep desperately. Then I said, okay, let me try this. Then I said, I'm sorry, please. I don't know, whatever I had eaten, you have digested it. Thank you so much. 11 times I did Ho'oponopono. And I told my inner child that I'm going to sleep now. Definitely, let us go to sleep. We'll be happily sleeping. We'll enjoy our sleep. Nothing will happen. And then after doing Ho'oponopono for 11 times, I went to sleep from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the evening. I slept. I didn't get any pain. Happily, I was sleeping now.
Look
I think
at
after
that.
10 or 15 years, 10 or 15 years, I went to sleep just after my food, ma'am. Otherwise, I usually sleep and I digest.
Congratulations.
So this
It's
was-
a big leap. It's an
this was
amazing.
now I'll happily sleep. Whenever I have a holiday, I'll happily go to sleep after having food, stomach fully, ma'am. And today,
Excellent.
my body asked me for an ice cream, ma'am, in the evening. I wanted to eat ice cream desperately. My son was not at
It is its food,
Yeah.
like it is the one who chooses.
I know.
It's the one, let it
Yeah.
choose.
I got ice cream and I had it. I asked my son to get it for me. I had 2 bowls of ice cream and my stomach is so good now.
Super good, excellent, amazing, beautiful, amazing. See, this is how we have to talk to your body.
Yes.
My dear friends, please talk to your body. Then your life would change just like that in all areas, not only physical problems. And the beautiful career, it will take you there. And abundant, just now we did beautiful meditation. That self, it's easy for the body to take you there super easily. Talk to your body. If you have not started it, please don't waste that gift even for a fraction of a second. You always say, body, it's yours. What do you want to eat? You choose. Because it's yours. You are the one who is going to eat. What do you want to eat? You are the one who is going to wear dress. What dress you want to wear? Take it. Why I'm telling? If you wear like that by doing, and the miracles it bring, because it's an another consciousness, it is directly connected to God. It has no critical mind. Only we have, the field has that mind, critical mind. The body has nothing like that. Only human beings, we have that facility, comfort. So when you let go everything to your body, talk to your body. Body, you are the one who is going to eat now. Choose. You want to know the secret? Whenever you go to restaurant, I'm talking about restaurant first. Try. Everybody try. If you are going today, tomorrow, not today, sorry. And in USA, if you are there, like Nalini and all, you can go. See, when you are taking the menu, take the menu. Close your eyes. Take your favorite menu, okay? But vegetarians don't take the non-veg and take it, okay? Choose the column which you wanted. vegetarian lunch time or whatever that, you want, smoothies or something like that, that column you take, that page, close your eyes, take a breathe. Body, you tell me what you are going to choose now today. You're the one who is going to eat. What do you want to choose? Tell me. Close your eyes. Maybe your husband must be saying, what are you doing prayer here? Choose. That just takes some time. Even waiter is there, madam. Just ask him to wait 2 minutes. Close your eyes. Tell your body. Open your eyes. As you open your eyes, whichever pops, the first thing is the body wanting it. Try it. If you eat it, you don't have indigestion, and that food will make all the molecules super beautiful. It will clear all your any problem because it was chosen by the body. Body knows. Same technique you can use. Every day we don't go to the restaurants, right? So if you have coffee or tea, if you have a choice, cool drink or water in the house, walking or dancing, no walking, exercise. Every time the body doesn't want exercise. And one more thing, body wants to move. The more you move, the more it will be super happier. Like a dog, when you take a dog out, how it will become so happy. The same way our body wants to move. Sometimes our body doesn't want to move. It wants to watch, relax. So take 2 choices. Everything write 2 choices. Like if you make, curry, dal or something like that. Hi. Hi, Rasa.
Hello.
Hello, how are you
How are
doing?
you?
Welcome
Good. How
back.
are you, ma'am?
Yes, good to see you today. So,
Likewise.
yes, you missed some little portion. Just follow it. I was talking about how to take care of. Yes, did you talk to your body yesterday? What did you get after talking to you? Any results? Have you noticed anything? Would you like to share with me?
More appreciation, and acceptance.
Okay, did you talk to your body? How did you talk?
I love myself, forgive myself, I'm
Okay.
grateful for everything that I have, how I
Did
am.
you do that mirror work?
Yes, I did. Yeah.
How did you feel after doing that?
Like a release. Like
Release?
a release, yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
excellent, beautiful, beautiful,
Mhm.
brilliant. Did you ask your body what body wants to wear or eat?
No, that I haven't done yet.
You have not done it. Please go. Lovely. Thank you very much. See, we communicate our feelings with a kind of words. I always love to listen from everybody's words. The words are the way, only that is the only way to express our feelings. Understand? So today definitely follow